So I am just gonna go ahead and do the lazy girl crochet method. So I just have my hair in about 8 flat twists, and I'm just gonna take these, pull them back really tight and make a very low bun. And then I'm gonna take this bun and I'm gonna split the back in half like this and pin these up so I can get them out the way. So the hair that I'm using is by Outre, and it is the Springy Afro twist in the 24-inch. And it comes with 3 little packets of it. And I don't think you can see the color right, but it is a OT 530, which is basically like a copper color. And I think I'm just going to use 2 packs. I think that's all I need. But so if you've watched my other crochet videos, you know that I always put a cap on, and I actually don't have one with me, and the beauty supply store is closed today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start crocheting the hair onto my head. Or the reason why I like to put a cap on before I start crocheting is because my hair is very soft and it's pretty broken off, like just everywhere, because my hair is so fine and it's hard to take care of. So sometimes my hair will like stick through the crochet braids. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. I really like this texture because it kind of reminds me of like a 4B-ish type, and it's really kinky. So I'm just gonna take this first piece, split it in half, and start at the very back of my hair. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in and put a couple pieces right here because I feel like the part looks a little bit too big and it's a little bit too wide. So I'm just going to take this needle, and to prevent like this part showing, I'm gonna go through that first flat twist and the second, attach the hair on there, and pull it through both. So now you can't see this hole right here because this is going to cover it. I'm just gonna separate it to make it bigger. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. I literally only used 1 full pack and then 1/3 of the second pack. So yeah, this is a lot of hair. And I'm just gonna go through and kind of just finger. This hair is so pretty. It resembles Afro texture so well. So I'm gonna just go in and trim some pieces that are just hanging off on the side. So this is the finished look. I think it came out really, really freaking cute. It's so thick, it looks so natural, it's so soft. But yeah, since I did the lazy girl method, I think this hair is probably gonna last me about 2.5 weeks max. But if you want it to last longer, all you have to do is just change those flat twists to braids and it'll probably last you about 2 months. But yeah, I really like this. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see future videos, and I will see you in my next video.